solve the equation x equal to 10 cos x using the Newton-Raphson method. The initial guess means initial point is x equal to pi by 4. The value of the predicted root after the first iteration up to the second decimal is what? This is get 16. So our f of x equal to x minus 10 cos x as previously, and our initial point that means x0 equal to pi by 4. Clear? So we have to find f dash x. That means derivation of this x is 1 plus 10, derivation of cos x means sin x. Clear, guys? Now what is our Newton-Raphson's formula? The Newton-Raphson's formula is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn. Clear? So if n equal to 0, then x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash x0. Clear? Why we put n equal to x0? Because we have to establish the value of x0 is here. Clear? And obvious in x0 is mentioned in the problem as the initial value, so we have to use it. Clear? So f of x0 means f of pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 minus 10 cos pi by 4. That means pi by 4 minus 10 into 1 by root 2, that means 10 root 2. Clear? That means 10 root 2. And f dash pi by 4 means f dash x equal to how much? 1 plus 10 sin x. Clear? So f dash pi by 4 equal to 1 plus 10 sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4, the value of sin pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So this value is 1 plus 10 by root 2. Clear? Now our equation, our Newton-Raphson equation, xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash xn. Clear? xn means we put n equal to 0, so x1 equal to x0 plus f of x0 by f dash x0. Putting the value of x0 pi by 4 minus putting the value of f of x0 pi by 4 minus 10 by root 2 as we previously find it, and f dash x0, that means the value of f dash this one value of f pi by 4. Clear? And this one the value of f dash pi by 4. Clear? And substitute the value minus this one is pi by 4 minus 10 root 2 and this one is pi by 4 plus 10 root 2. Clear? So this one pi by 4 minus plus, and this one means after calculating this part 6.2857 is coming, and after calculation that part it comes 8.0711, and after calculating it we get the value of x1 is 1.564